Hi friend, Mr. Peace here. Happy 2021, and I hope it's off to a great start for you and your loved ones. Last year, despite the countless challenges facing all of us due to the pandemic, I was still able to deliver a motivational message to over 50 schools nationwide. And with in-person assemblies no longer being an option, it allowed for another opportunity to grow by beginning to offer virtual programming. That said, I've continued to build on the remote presentations I provide, which now looking back on was a true blessing, as it's given me another avenue to reach our youth. Now more than ever, with mental and emotional health issues on the rise among our young people, inspirational ways to help them cope with whatever struggles they may be going through is desperately needed. And that's where I come in, by sharing my heart in hopes of just touching a small piece of theirs and reminding them how much they are loved and how much they are worth as the beautiful miracles we know they all are. So consider changing a life, maybe even saving a life, and bringing peace to your school or organization today.